Hey, thanks for watching today. Today we're going to go over the Pride Mobility Go-Go LX with CTS. This is one of the top four-wheel scooters on the market. Pride Mobility is one of the largest manufacturers out there. They make quality products. I'm Kevin Brown. I'm with All-Star Medical, and we appreciate you watching. We're going to go over just some of the features and benefits that people ask us about. We're all the time getting questions and comments in our videos wanting to know a few little features and benefits that we sometimes leave off. So today we're going to get a little bit detailed on that. This chair has a 300-pound weight capacity. It is got an 8.6 mile range for its battery life. Now I do tell people that will be up to, depending on the terrain you're on and how much somebody weighs. My example of that, if you're 150 pounds and you're on really flat ground, you're going to be able to go 8.6 miles, probably no problem and on a battery. But if you're 290 pounds and you're going up hilly terrain all day long, you're probably not going to get that 8.6 miles. That's something I like to tell people. Typically what I tell people, the average use over the 20 years I've been doing this is about 8 hours is what people will get in a chair, because nobody's really running it constantly. So I do like to tell people that. Some of the other features, you have this Delta tiller that is adjustable. So you're able to take this up and down to get it closer or farther away from you, depending on what you need. It's got the rounded handles, which make it really nice. So you can grab one side of the handle, especially if you have one side weakness. It's got a small little basket here that's detachable, that's easily taken off. Nice little LED light that you'll see that can be turned on if you're using it at nighttime. It's pretty bright. Your standard controls up here, it's going to show you your battery life, which is basically goes red, orange, green, and then that will help you know where you're at with your battery. I always tell people, always bring your battery charger with you. Because you just never know. There's a little pouch on the back of the seat here that you can actually put that in. So always keep your charger with you, because all you really have to do is find an outlet to plug it in. So very easy to do there. Your seat has the flip-up armrest. It also allows you to pivot the seat so you can get in and out of very easy. The seat back does fold down. And something I like to tell people that most people don't realize is you can adjust the width of the seat arms. There's a pin in here and you just adjust it in and out. So real easy to do. You also have another pin here that you can add a basket or walker or cane holder, oxygen tank holder, something of that nature. This chair, what makes it unique is that it has suspension on it. And one of the things I like to show people is down here, you'll notice that there's suspension that's underneath here. There's two suspension, they're yellow, and it's suspension on the front and back. And it's called Comfort Track Suspension. What this does is allow the chair to have a little give in it when you're going over a bumpy terrain. Most of your chairs don't have that. They're rigid, and you feel every bump that you hit. So this takes away a little bit of that. It's a nice little feature. One thing I failed to mention on the Delta tiller is you also have a place to plug your charger into. So you don't have to reach down here to the battery if you can't or you have issues. So there are actually two places to plug in your charger. I'm going to go ahead and disassemble it so you get an idea how that works. All you have to do is just lift the seat straight up, set it off. Then you can take the battery, disassemble it here, and what you'll see is you have the ability to charge it right here if you need to. So if you're just wanting to take this in, if you're, say, traveling or something like that and you don't want to take the whole unit in, you can just take this in with the charger and charge the unit. So nice little feature there. So there's your two parts there. You also have the ability to adjust the height of this pole. I like to tell people, basically you've got 3 inches of height adjustment that you can use. You just sit it in here, and it's real easy to go in and adjust. and it just pops in with a pin. So very nice, nicely done by Pride there. Got a handle on the back. All I do is lift, and it comes off. So it's a quick release. Take the tiller, roll it down. This is the, again, the S54LX model. So the heaviest piece is 37 pounds. That's this right here. So you can put this in the back of a car, trunk, back seat, whatever you may need to do. These are your 4 pieces. You also have a handle for the back of the motor. And so everything's real easy to pick up and grab hold of and put in the car. This is probably what I would consider the most difficult piece that you have because it's a little bit larger. You have a lifetime warranty on the frame, 2 years on the drivetrain, and 2 years on electronics. One thing I can tell you about Pride Mobility is they back their products up. We've been carrying them for quite a while now. We've never had issues with them. They back up their products really well. They do what they're supposed to do. This makes our life easier. We carry this at All Star Medical. Here we have 2 locations in the Nashville, Tennessee area, one in Hermitage, one in Franklin. We also have an e-commerce store at allstarmedicalllc.com where we can ship anywhere in the continental United States. We recommend on the mobility scooters you do free shipping. What that is it's going to show up in a box at your front door. If you're getting a mobility scooter and you're going to be traveling with it, taking it in and out, there's no sense in really getting the white glove. You can if you choose to, but if it's portable and that's the reason you're getting it, then I would just go with the free shipping, save you a little money. So it's a nice little feature that you can do. If you have questions, you can always give us a call at 615-730-9438. Don't forget to subscribe to our page, as we're constantly putting new videos about different products, whether it be mobility scooters, lift chairs, and other medical products in the industry. We appreciate you watching, and have a great day.